Welcome to Inside Factory Walls. Today, we will explore the incredible journey of making luxury soap entirely from fresh natural coconuts. Have you ever wondered how a simple tropical fruit transforms into a premium beauty product used by millions around the globe daily? The fascinating process begins right here in lush green plantations where skilled farmers carefully select the finest coconuts. Under the tropical sun, these towering palm trees provide the essential raw material that gives the final product its rich lather and deeply moisturizing cleansing properties. Workers harvest the ripe coconuts by hand, ensuring that only the highest quality fruits are chosen for the upcoming oil extraction process. Once collected, the heavy harvest is loaded onto large trucks and transported directly to the initial processing facility near the vast plantations. At the facility, workers swiftly remove the thick fibrous outer husks using traditional sharp tools, revealing the hard brown shells hidden inside. This demanding manual labor requires immense precision and experience to ensure the precious inner fruit remains completely intact during the husking process. Next, the hard shells are forcefully cracked open, exposing the pure white coconut meat and releasing the fresh, highly nutritious liquid inside. The pristine white coconut meat is meticulously separated from the broken shells, gathering in large bins to prepare for the crucial pressing. Before pressing, the fresh coconut meat must be washed thoroughly to remove any remaining shell fragments and ensure absolute purity and cleanliness. The clean meat is then fed into heavy industrial grinders, shredding the solid pieces into fine flakes to maximize the oil yield. These fine coconut flakes are slowly heated to the perfect temperature, carefully breaking down the cellular structures to release the precious oils. Powerful hydraulic presses squeeze the heated flakes under immense pressure, forcing out the golden liquid that forms the heart of our soap. This unrefined liquid is a rich mixture of pure coconut oil and water, carrying the natural essence of the tropical plantation harvest. The mixture enters high-speed centrifuges that rapidly spin the liquid, perfectly separating the lightweight, pure oil from the heavier water impurities. What remains is pristine, unrefined coconut oil, prized for its extraordinary ability to create luxurious, bubbling lather in high-quality cosmetic products. Massive tanker trucks are carefully loaded with thousands of gallons of this golden coconut oil, ready for transport to the mega factory. The journey takes the raw oil from rural processing plants directly to a massive industrial complex where the real chemical magic happens. Welcome to the mega factory, a sprawling maze of shining steel pipes, massive storage tanks, and highly advanced automated production control systems. The pure coconut oil is pumped into gigantic stainless steel vats, marking the beginning of the fascinating chemical transformation known as saponification. In these massive vats, the golden oil, if precisely mixed with a strong alkaline solution, triggering a powerful and essential chemical reaction. Massive mechanical agitators stir the hot mixture continuously, ensuring that every single drop of oil reacts perfectly with the powerful alkaline base. As the intense reaction progresses, the liquid gradually thickens into a dense, creamy substance, officially transforming from raw oil into pure soap. This raw soap paste still contains natural glycerin and excess water, which must be carefully removed to achieve the perfect final texture. The thick paste is pumped into enormous washing towers, where it is repeatedly rinsed with salt water to extract the valuable glycerin. Extracting the glycerin not only purifies the soap base but also provides a valuable byproduct used extensively in various other cosmetic applications. The purified soap base is now incredibly clean, but it remains far too wet and soft to be formed into solid bars. It travels through a complex network of heated vacuum chambers, rapidly evaporating the excess moisture to create a much firmer, drier texture. As the moisture level drops, the soap transforms from a thick liquid paste into solid, warm ribbons cascading down the production line. These continuous ribbons are fed into heavy industrial chillers, rapidly dropping their temperature to solidify the material for the next milling stage. Powerful spinning blades chop the cooled ribbons into thousands of tiny uniform pellets, widely known in the industry as raw soap noodles. These pristine white soap noodles represent the perfect blank canvas, ready to be infused with luxurious fragrances and rich moisturizing skin conditioners. The noodles are transported via massive conveyor belts into giant blending machines, where the specific identity of the luxury soap is created. Highly precise automated dispensers inject carefully measured amounts of premium floral fragrances, filling the entire factory floor with an incredibly beautiful aroma. Essential skin moisturizers and subtle colorants are added to the spinning blender, ensuring the final product nourishes the skin while cleansing effectively. The massive blenders tumble the mixture relentlessly, guaranteeing that every single soap noodle is perfectly coated with the luxurious oils and perfumes. Once fully blended, the fragrant noodles are dropped into heavy milling machines, equipped with massive steel rollers that crush them together tightly. The extreme pressure of the steel rollers forces the individual noodles to fuse into a completely smooth, perfectly uniform and continuous sheet. This vital milling process eliminates any hard lumps or gritty textures, ensuring the final soap bar feels incredibly soft against the skin. The smooth soap sheets are then fed into powerful extrusion machines, known as plotters, which compress the material under incredibly high pressure. A massive spinning screw forces the dense soap mixture through a specially shaped metal die, forming a continuous, perfectly smooth solid log. This endless log of fragrant soap emerges from the extruder, moving smoothly down the line like a beautiful continuous ribbon of luxury. An automated wire cutter slices the moving log into manageable lengths, preparing the solid soap blocks for the final shaping and stamping. These uniform blocks travel rapidly along the conveyor belt, perfectly spaced and aligned for their upcoming encounter with the precision stamping machine. The stamping machine is an absolute marvel of modern engineering, operating at breathtaking speeds to shape hundreds of soap bars every minute. Heavy metal molds slam down onto the soft blocks, instantly transforming them into the elegant curved shapes recognized by consumers worldwide today. Simultaneously, the heavy molds press the iconic luxury logo deeply into the surface of the soap, verifying its premium quality and authenticity. Excess soap material trimmed away during the stamping process is immediately collected and recycled back into the plotter, ensuring absolutely zero waste. The perfectly shaped and stamped bars emerge from the machine, looking incredibly sleek, flawlessly smooth, and ready for their final protective packaging. Advanced optical sensors scan every single bar as it passes, instantly detecting and removing any products with minor visual flaws or imperfections. Only the absolute best flawless bars are allowed to continue down the high-speed conveyor lines toward the highly advanced packaging department. The speed of the packaging line is truly mesmerizing. With mechanical arms moving faster than the human eye can easily track them, vibrant, beautifully printed wrapping paper feeds from massive continuous rolls, precisely cut to the exact millimeter needed for a single soap bar. Mechanical fingers delicately but swiftly fold the colorful wrapper around each bar, sealing the edges tightly to lock in the beautiful fragrance. The sealed bars shoot down the line in a continuous blur of vibrant colors, showcasing the incredible efficiency of modern factory automation. Next, automated grouping machines gather the individually wrapped bars into precise sets, preparing them to be packed into larger cardboard retail boxes. Robotic arms carefully lift these grouped sets and place them perfectly into waiting shipping cartons, working tirelessly without ever slowing their pace. The filled cartons glide through an automated taping machine, sealing them securely for their upcoming global journey across oceans and vast continents. Heavy-duty robotic palletizers stack the sealed cartons into towering, perfectly balanced blocks, wrapping them tightly in strong plastic film for transport. Forklifts carefully transport the massive pallets into the sprawling factory warehouse, a truly colossal space filled with millions of finished luxury products. From this massive warehouse, the beautifully packaged soap will be shipped to thousands of retail stores, supermarkets, and boutiques across the world. It is truly remarkable to think that this highly complex, technologically advanced process begins with a simple coconut growing in the tropics. The careful harvesting of coconuts guarantees the sustainability of the raw materials, supporting local farming communities while providing premium manufacturing ingredients globally. Every single step, from the muddy plantation paths to the sterile factory floors, is meticulously designed to maximize efficiency and product quality. The extraction of pure coconut oil is a perfect blend of traditional agricultural knowledge and highly advanced modern industrial processing techniques today. Saponification, the magical chemical reaction at the heart of the factory, transforms ordinary agricultural oils into a highly effective, luxurious cleansing product. The careful removal of glycerin ensures the soap remains perfectly hard and long-lasting while still delivering an incredibly rich, creamy lather. Drying the soap paste into solid noodles is a critical phase, requiring absolute temperature precision to prevent the material from burning rapidly. The addition of premium perfumes elevates the simple soap into a true sensory experience, transforming daily showers into moments of pure luxury. Milling the fragrant noodles into a smooth, continuous sheet is the secret behind the incredibly silky texture of the final luxury product. The massive plotter machines demonstrate the sheer physical power required to compress the delicate soap flakes into a solid, incredibly dense log. Precision wire cutting ensures that every single bar weighs exactly the same, meeting strict consumer protection standards and maintaining absolute brand consistency. The lightning-fast stamping machines give the soap its final identity, permanently embossing the promise of quality directly onto the smooth surface. Recycling the trimmed soap edges demonstrates the modern factory's strong commitment to minimizing industrial waste and maximizing overall economic and environmental efficiency. Quality control optical sensors act as the ultimate gatekeepers, ensuring that no defective product ever reaches the hands of a paying customer. The high-speed packaging machinery is a symphony of synchronized motion, flawlessly wrapping hundreds of individual products in mere fleeting short seconds. Automated cartoning and robotic palletizing eliminate heavy manual lifting, vastly improving factory safety while maintaining an incredibly rapid daily production output rate. The massive scale of this mega factory allows it to produce enough luxury soap to supply entire nations without ever stopping production. Behind all these massive steel machines are teams of dedicated engineers constantly monitoring the complex systems to ensure absolutely perfect daily operation. They adjust temperatures, monitor chemical reactions, and perform regular maintenance to keep the enormous production lines running smoothly 24 hours daily. This incredible synergy between human intelligence and mechanical power makes the mass production of high-quality consumer goods possible globally every day. The natural coconut oil not only cleanses but also deeply nourishes the skin, proving that nature provides the very best cosmetic ingredients. By combining these natural gifts with advanced chemical engineering, the factory creates a product that is both highly effective and wonderfully affordable. Consumers purchasing this